If you like making t-shirts and vinyl designs that you have to heat press on, well then this is going to be the heat press for you. This is going to give you a 10-inch by 10-inch working area, and because of its size and portability, not only can you use it as a heat press, you can also use it to iron those shirts before you press them. Let's open it up, take a look, and see what we're going to get. Put tape on here like they're afraid somebody's going to open it. Alright. Right on top, you're going to have your booklet and a nice storage bag. And here's the machine itself. I pulled it out upside down, but we're going to flip it around and get it right. And let's check this out. So nice. Look at this thing here. It's got this beautiful white gloss finish. It has this nice gold trim with a kind of a turquoise green inlays, and you have your display right here. Now you can fully control your temperatures on this, but it also has a pressure display on here as well, so you know how much pressure you're putting on the t-shirt, which is necessary when you're trying to get those good bonds between vinyl and material. Let's plug this up and take a look at the display. Now it does heat up fast, it heats up evenly. It'll be ready to go in about 60 seconds, which is super quick. Especially if you've dealt with some of those other larger, more clunkier vinyl presses, you know what I'm talking about. And this thing will go all the way up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. Let's see how it works. All right, we got it plugged in. I'm gonna try to scoot this to where we're tilted to where you can see the display. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. You can see right here it's registering 6 pounds. That would be how much weight would be forced onto it. You have the temperature that it's at right now. Let's go ahead and we'll turn it on. See how quick it heats up. Seems to be heating up quite quickly. I don't know if I'm supposed to have it on an angle like this or not. We're already at 100. Now the material, it is made out of a heat resistant plastic all the way around. So by the element heating up, it's not going to warp or disfigure this press. It's going to maintain its shape. 150 already. Can you guys see that? It does also have an auto off design, so if you forget it on, it will eventually shut itself off. And the way the handles are made, these handles are never going to heat up. So you're going to have zero risk of burning yourself by holding these handles. We're already at 250. Now, besides the temperature here, you can see like right here where it says 20 seconds, that's where you would set your timer for how long that whatever vinyl you're using needs to get that transfer done. So once you push it down on the material, this will count down and let you know when it's safe to release. 300. We're almost there. We're already at 336. Now you can see that it does have this base. This base is made out of a very heat resistant plastic, so you're not going to have to worry about this sitting on materials. You just keep it in this base and it will keep that hot surface off of your tables and from ruining things. As you can see, it has air vents in here as well to allow the heat to kind of travel through. And we're at 388, just that fast. 393. It's just slowly getting there. And it's getting there quite quickly. 399, so in essence we've already reached 400 degrees. Now what's good about this is how light and compact this is. We have one of those big huge metal ones that's got the sharp corners on it, and it takes an act of Congress to pull that thing down and get it to clamp onto the shirts. And that is no fun. It's hard to use, and they're dangerous just by sitting there because they always have that spring load on them. And if one of your little ones pops that handle up, it could come up and hit them. And you're not going to have to worry about that with this one. So now you can see our ready light went from red to green. That means this thing is ready to go. And then whenever you're ready to go, after it's warmed up and everything, like right now I have it set for 21 seconds. It's at 399 degrees and it's showing 6 pounds. But when you get ready to press your shirt, you hit this R button. And now the counter is counting down, and you can see how much force. It actually has a scale in there because I'm putting 46 pounds of pressure at 400 degrees. And that way you know how long, how hot, and how much pressure you need for that vinyl to get it to stick. So very, very handy. This is great for the DIYer if you do this at home and you don't have room for a big clunky machine, or you just don't want to deal with the weight and the size of that. This is going to do just as good of a job in a much tighter, compact, and lighter package. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.